It's tall, it's iconic, it's romantic, but behind its charm lies a story of controversy, innovation, and genius. The Eiffel Tower didn't just redefine Paris, it reshaped the entire world of engineering. Today, we'll uncover 10 jaw-dropping facts about the Eiffel Tower that changed modern engineering forever. Fact 1. It was hated before it was built. In 1887, when Gustave Eiffel proposed his radical design for a 300-meter iron tower, over 300 prominent French artists, writers, and architects signed a petition calling it a monstrosity and a giant smokestack. Eiffel had a bigger vision. He saw the tower as a symbol of scientific progress and a way to demonstrate the possibilities of metal construction. Engineering impact. This controversy made engineers rethink aesthetics in industrial design, blending function and form, a principle now common in modern architecture. Fact 2. It was engineered for wind, not beauty. The Eiffel Tower wasn't just built to be tall. It was built to withstand extreme wind. Eiffel used complex math and wind tunnel experiments to design its iconic curved shape, not for looks, but to deflect wind pressure. Even in storms with winds over 130 kilometers per hour, the tower only sways up to 7 centimeters. Engineering impact. This was one of the first buildings to use aerodynamic calculations, inspiring how we design modern skyscrapers and bridges today. Fact 3. It was the first giant modular structure. The tower consists of over 18,000 individual iron parts and 2.5 million rivets, all prefabricated off-site, then assembled like a massive Lego set. Every piece was precisely numbered, transported, and mounted on-site using cranes and scaffolding designed specifically for this project. Engineering impact. It pioneered modular construction, now used in everything from hospitals to skyscrapers to space stations. Fact 4. It was built with 0 fatalities. Despite being the tallest structure in the world at the time, the Eiffel Tower's construction led to no worker deaths, a rarity in the 1880s. Eiffel enforced strict safety protocols, including guardrails, harnesses, and movable platforms. Engineering impact. It set early standards for construction site safety, a core principle in civil engineering today. Fact 5. It helped invent wireless communication. In 1903, the Eiffel Tower was used to transmit one of the first long-distance radio signals in history. Later, it played a key role in detecting German military activity during World War I. Engineering impact. It became one of the first multi-purpose structures, merging architecture with telecommunications, an idea now seen in smart buildings and connected cities. Fact 6. It was a high-tech science lab. Eiffel turned the tower into a personal scientific observatory. He installed barometers, wind gauges, and conducted gravity and air resistance experiments from its upper levels. Engineering impact. It was one of the first buildings to serve as a research platform, foreshadowing how we now use skyscrapers and satellites for scientific observation. Fact 7. It set new standards for corrosion control. Iron rusts, and yet, after more than 130 years, the Eiffel Tower still stands strong. Why? Because it's repainted every 7 years with over 60 tons of protective paint, applied manually by rope access technicians. Engineering impact. It influenced global standards for long-term maintenance and corrosion prevention in metal structures. Fact 8. It held the world height record for 41 years. From 1889 to 1930, it was the tallest man-made structure on Earth, longer than any other skyscraper held that title since. It showed that extreme height was possible long before modern materials like steel and reinforced concrete. Engineering impact. It inspired the age of skyscrapers, from the Empire State Building to the Burj Khalifa. Fact 9. It was designed to flex and breathe. Due to thermal expansion, the Eiffel Tower grows up to 15 centimeters in summer and tilts slightly depending on the sun's position. Eiffel calculated this in advance, designing the iron beams to flex rather than crack. Engineering impact. This principle of dynamic elasticity is now standard in earthquake-resistant structures and modern bridge design. Fact 10. It proved engineering can be profitable. Originally intended to stand for only 20 years, Eiffel personally funded much of the tower's construction in exchange for ticket sales. In the first year alone, nearly 2 million people visited. Today, it earns over $100 million annually and has welcomed over 300 million visitors since opening. Engineering impact. It was one of the first cases where engineering innovation met commercial success, a model for infrastructure that's both functional and profitable. Outro. From wind resistance to wireless signals, from scientific experiments to citywide profits, the Eiffel Tower is more than a monument. It's a masterclass in engineering that's still teaching us lessons today. If this amazed you, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Which engineering marvel should we cover next?